the balcony. And Swami calls me, Somanathan, va, Sinu Anchana. At that time, my name was Somanathan. Swami only changed my name as Sai Mogan. And that's a great story. I will tell you afterwards, but you call me again here. I have a lot of stories to tell you. If you call me, I will tell you. Always together. So, I went there. Swami called me, Sandosham, he said. He went in. No, by that time, throwing away my box one side, my bed one side, my chapels one side. I just prostrate on the mere sand, muddy sand only in those days. I fell down. Whole mouth is full of mud and all that. I weep like anything. The tears came out, all mud. I went. I just got up, and when I saw Swami, went inside. I went there. This Pennaivalam fellow, who was my roommate, gave some dhoti and other things to his brother, who is employed there in the press now, who hated Swami. Now, one of the brothers, Mr. Ramu, is employed in the press. Swami asked him to stay there and serve him. He was there. That fellow gave some dhoti and shirts and went. And who is Ramu? I asked. Only few people would be there in those days. I asked, who is Ramu? He is Ramu. I told him about his brother and all that, all the stories. He told me there was no lodges, nothing to stay. Only care of a tree was the lodge then. Somehow, as soon as we go there, we must catch hold of one plant. There used to be in this Kulwant Hall area lot of plants. One plant we have to soothe and just have the screen with our cloth. We have taken either a sari or a bed sheet or something and put all the things there, and the night bed only there, and attend the bhajan and come, and even you put the money there, nobody will steal that. If at all one says it has been stolen, somehow Swami will again give it. In those days it was like that. Even in the nights when sleep, snakes will come and just cross our body and go. Imagine what is our life there. Risking everything, we used to go frequently. I used to go every 15 days to Puttavati. Like that. I went to Ramu. He told me, night you stay with me in the press. I'll tell you all the stories about Swami, what Swami is doing here. He told me many miracles. By 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we used to take bed. And early morning, next day he said, I told him that I have to see Swami somehow with regard to my sister's marriage. He told me, you have to get up at 4 o'clock. You must go to Chitravati. It was cold days. I told you Swami went out of his body in the cold season, January. That time I went there. He says, we have to take bath in the Chitravati. He said, I will bring out one hurricane lamp. We must go all full of mountain stones there. We have to cross everything and go to Chitravati, which will be full of water. We have to take bath early morning, before 4:30. As though we go and sit in a fridge, we feel when to take bath. It was so icy. Somehow we have to take sranam there. I went there, I took bath. We came, I dressed myself. I have to sit by 5 o'clock there before the interview room. All will, before that time, all will be occupying. So Ramu said, you somehow catch hold of the first seat there, Swami will call you. If at all first row, second row you sit, Swami will definitely call you, because you have got that such a useful thing to be consulted Swami regarding your sister's marriage. You sit in the front row. I sat there. I was chanting all mantras which I know, Vishnu Sahasranamam, Lakshmi Ashtotram, Lalita Sahasranamam, Saundarya Lagiri. See, when we have a desire to be fulfilled, we somehow catch hold of God. Other times, we throw away God. Like that, I was chanting, Samo Swami should, this Satya Sai Baba should give me interview, O Lakshmi, O Vishnu, O Shiva, and all that. As though Shiva and Lakshmi, other things are separate, this man is separate. I was just chanting like this. He opened the door. Raja Reddy was just started, 6:45. They will start the bhajan. Swami will also here start the interview at 6:45. He opened the door. First he saw like this. He saw me, come inside. Single interview in those days, 1-to-1. My legs trembled like anything, as though already he told me, you are meeting God there. That word made me tremble like anything. I am meeting God inside. I went inside, I trembled, I wept like anything. Why you weep? Yeah, Pabam, Pabam, Pabam. Are you female? Are you female? Oh, you should not be Pabam. He just put me on his chest, Pabam, Pabam. Like a mother, he patted me. I just, tears came out. His jibba was full of tears. My head went inside his hair. In those days, in his 33rd year, I saw him full of wonderful silky hairs will be there, here up to here. When he asked me to rest on his shoulders, my head went inside the hairs. It was pricking me. I did like that. Oh, Swami told me in Tamil, Kuttarda. Is it pricking you? Yes, Swami, I told. Swami told me, I am telling you now, Swami told me, it is all antenna. This side antenna, receiving station. This side antenna, broadcasting station. Antenna will be like this. His hairs will also be like this. Our hairs like this. Whatever makeup you do, it will not be like needles. It is needles. Antenna. Full of ragasya. He told me, come on, you see here, you see, because you are Gopika, Sukuna to be in Krishna Avatar, I am showing you all these things. You see here, one mantravadi, one magician, when I was 9 years old, my mother and all people brought one magician, mantravadi. He put a needle on my head, shaving my head fully, making me sit. He put the needle on me. You see the depth here? You feel that? Swami removed the hairs and I touched that. There was a gap there. Swami told in that gap some thread was just soaked in ghee and all that. That was burnt and put there. I got wonderful struggle and all that. I suffered like anything. Swami said, because I am Satyanarayana, I escaped that. I escaped from the death. If it is any other fellow, he would have died at that age. I am still here because I am God. Swami told me this. I felt it and all that, even in the first interview. And then Swami told me, I told you about this apple matter, about which, after seeing him in his glorious dress and all that, can I give this nasty apple to this great man? No, I should not give this. It is sheer shame on myself to give to this great man this worst apple. I was holding this backside all the time, as though he doesn't know about that. And I had a knife also, thinking, if at all he asked me about the apple and cut it and give it to me, I can cut it and give. Such was a enormous unnecessary ambition of myself. So I was holding this apple. Swami said, you have brought for me apples from Gundakal. Get it for me. You give it to me, I will eat it. Swami said. Immediately I took it out, and I was ashamed to just show it to him. It was so bad. Swami said, it is a good apple, don't worry. You cut it. You have got knife also in the packet. You take it out and cut it. I cut it and gave him. He took two pieces and ate it. And then again I tried to cut. No, this is prasadam. You go and give it to Kasturi and Ramu and other people. You also take it. Enough. Swami is highly pleased. At that time I thought of Kuchela only, who took owl to Swami, Lord. He was he was so bad to open that. Same is his state of affairs for me to show this apple to him. That was my case. At that time, Swami said, hey, you go back to your village immediately. Don't stay here. You have put for 7 days leave. You go tomorrow to your village because your brother has died. Immediately I thought, no, when I started, my brother told he suffers from cold only. Can a fellow die out of cold? This man is bluffing and something. No, it will not happen. I thought to myself. Immediately Rami said, you never believe me. He has been taken out from your house and put on the payal, that is the outskirt of my house. The place we call it as Thinnai there, where people used to come and sit. We don't have nowadays. We have got flat system and all that. We have become so good to serve others, but we have stopped that Thinnai business in village even. Nowadays, constructing ceiling houses. He has been brought out of the house. He is put there. His body is there. You go immediately. But Swami is by his side, somehow making his alive there. Don't worry. I will give you one tablet. You give it to him. That will now come from Vaikunta. You are going to see that. Immediately he waved his hand. Some good smell came suddenly. I felt it. Immediately he showed me a big tablet, yellow in color. That he just put it on a paper and just folded and asked me to have it. Immediately you go to your village, don't go to any place. I told Swami, I applied 10 days leave. This is the first time I am recently appointed railways. This is the first